Saima 2021 അടുത്ത കാറ്റഗറി ഓഫ് അവാർഡ് ഇസ് വെരി എക്സൈറ്റിംഗ് ഫോർ മീ ബിക്കോസ് ഫസ്റ്റ് മൂവിയിൽ തന്നെ ഏറ്റവും നല്ല പെർഫോമൻസ് കാഴ്ചവെച്ച ഒരു ഡയറക്ടറിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ അനൗൺസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്.
Saima 2019 for Best Debutant Director Malayalam goes to the heartthrob of our film industry, Prithviraj sir for Lucifer.
Quite odd, but also very gratifying to be winning awards for a film that you basically shot 3 years back. I've always maintained that I did not make, by any stretch of the imagination, the best film of 2019, but I probably made the most important film of 2019 and the last decade as far as the business schematics of Malayalam cinema is concerned. Lucifer for us is very important because post-Lucifer, Malayalam cinema could dream bigger. We were told that we have an arena in front of us that we were not aware of. So thanks, starting from Mohanlal sir, to my producer Anthony Perumbaur, to the wonderful cast and crew who worked with me in the film. And here in Hyderabad, I guess, my biggest achievement after having made Lucifer is that Chiranjeevi sir thought he wanted to do the film. So I believe the Lucifer Telugu shoot is going on. It's on floors. It's great. It's great to be getting so many recognitions for your debut film as a director.
So the next segment of award, Best Actor in a Lead Role Male. To announce the winner, let me invite Kushbu ma'am and Jupali Ramrao Garu, promoter AHA OTT platform, Executive Vice Chairman, My Home Group. To the floor.
It's an honor to announce the awards tonight, and first and foremost, congratulations to each and every award winner.
So please announce the winner.
Saima 2020 മികച്ച നടൻ പൃഥ്വിരാജ് സുകുമാരൻ അയ്യപ്പനും കോശിയും. ഫഹദ് ഫാസിൽ ട്രാൻസ് ആൻഡ് സി യു സൂൺ. ടൊവിനോ തോമസ് ഫോറൻസിക്. ബിജു മേനോൻ അയ്യപ്പനും കോശിയും. കുഞ്ചാക്കോ ബോബൻ അഞ്ചാം പാതിര.
You can't have guesses for this. Has to be Prithviraj for Ayyappanum Koshi.
Congratulations, പൃഥ്വിരാജ് സുകുമാരൻ. രാജുവേട്ടന് ഈ ഒരു അവാർഡ് കിട്ടിയിരിക്കുന്നത് അയ്യപ്പനും കോശിയും എന്ന സിനിമയിലൂടെയാണ്.
I really need to ask you a question actually about the film. Normally, heroes wouldn't want to do, especially a very successful actor like you, a hero like you, wouldn't want to do a film knowing very well that it's the other character probably who's going to take away all the laurels. What made you accept it and do such a wonderful job?
Firstly, the answer is I believe I'm not a hero. I'm an actor, and I would like to remain that for as long as I'm involved with cinema. Sachi and me shared a very interesting relationship because he, as is common knowledge to Malayalam industry, was my best friend of all the people I worked with. So any film Sachi would think of, he would come to me, and he would say, I have this thought, I have this idea, just like Ayyappanum Koshi. And as you can imagine, the first time this thought sort of formed in his mind, he pitched the idea and asked me, which character would you want to play? And I never thought I wanted to play Ayyappan Nair. I always thought I wanted to play Koshi. But I'm glad that Sachi also thought the same, and I'm glad Biju Menon played Ayyappan Nair. And I'm glad everybody rooted for Ayyappan Nair. I'm glad the conversation around the film was centered around Ayyappan Nair. I'm glad that people thought Ayyappan Nair was the hero because that is the film. അയ്യപ്പനും കോശിയും എന്ന സിനിമയുടെ ഒരു അംഗീകാരവും ഒരു പരാമർശവും ഒരു ഓർമ്മയും സച്ചിയിൽ നിന്ന് വേർതിരിച്ച് നിർത്താൻ കഴിയില്ല. അതിന്ന് സച്ചി നമ്മളോടൊപ്പം ഇല്ല എന്ന വസ്തുത കൊണ്ട് മാത്രമല്ല, ആ സിനിമയുടെ ആത്മാവ്, ആ സിനിമയുടെ എല്ലാം അതിൻ്റെ തിരക്കഥാകൃത്തും സംവിധായകനുമായ സച്ചിയാണ്. ഒരുപാട് ഓർമ്മകൾ എനിക്ക് സമ്മാനിച്ച സിനിമയാണ്. മധുരിക്കുന്നതും സങ്കടകരവുമായ ഓർമ്മകൾ. എൻ്റെ ഗുരുനാഥൻ രഞ്ജിയേട്ടൻ നിർമ്മിച്ച സിനിമയാണ്. എൻ്റെ ഏറ്റവും അടുത്ത സുഹൃത്ത് സച്ചിയുടെ ഏറ്റവും അവസാനത്തെ സിനിമയാണ്. It's a sweet and sour memory because it's sad because it is Sachi's last film. None of us thought it would be. It's sweet because Sachi signed off in some style. And I wish he was here today. He would have been so flattered that as we speak, Ayyappanum Koshim is being shot in Telugu with Trivikraman sir writing it, with Pavan Kalyan sir playing Ayappan, with my brother Rana playing Koshi, with Ravi K. Chandran shooting it. Dude, you would have been really proud. So yeah, this is for you. Everything that comes the way of Ayappanam Koshim is for you. I hope people go back, see more of the work that you have done, and discover you more, because we lost a genius, but we will never lose his memory. Thank you.